In this video, I'll show you how to create a folder and upload files in Google Drive. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now head over to your Chrome browser. Right, this is our Chrome browser. I'm going to walk you through how you can actually create a folder and upload files on Google Drive. So click on these dotted icons. Once I click on it, you're going to see the drive right here. This is the drive, right? I'll click on the drive. It's going to open up. Once it has opened up right now, I'm going to show you how you can create a folder at first. That is the first thing you're going to do, right? So after creating the folder, you're going to upload files to it. So this is my Google Drive, and at first I'm going to create a folder right now. So you're going to click on this new. Once I've clicked on it, you're going to wait for it to open. You're going to see the new folder. Click on the new folder. It's going to create right now. There is the new folder. Okay, so this is the folder, and I can come on here and just name this folder. Let me see how to write. I can name it how to. Yeah, how to. And I'm going to click on the create. All right, I've created this folder, the how to folder, right? So I'm going to search for it. Yeah, so this is the folder. It's going to open up right now. So this is the how to. I'm going to click on it. Once I click on it, I'm going to show you how you can actually upload files right here. When it comes to uploading files here on Google Drive, like, you need to be very you need to be careful, right? So I should upload everything in the right place. So click on this new. Okay, you're going to open up the file just created, right? I'm going to open it up. This is the how to. I'm going to open it, right? So this is the how to file right now. So you're going to click on this new. Once I click on this new, you're going to see this file upload, right? Click on the file upload. When it comes to uploading files, you can upload pictures, videos, PDF, anything you want to upload, right, on your Google Drive. So let me say I want to upload, let me say, a picture. I'll upload this my picture. Click on the open. So if you look at here, you'd see that this thing is not currently reading, right? And once it starts reading, everything will start uploading immediately, right? So I'm going to wait for it. You can see it's starting upload. So let me see, I'll give it very few seconds for it to start up. So you can see right here, one upload complete, right? I just uploaded this file right now to my Google Drive folder. So if I click on this, I'm going to open this up, right? Yeah, so I'm going to double click on it for it to open. So I'll wait for it to gradually load up. So you can see I just uploaded a picture, right? A picture file of this to this my Google Drive folder. So this is basically how you can create a folder at first, then upload files in Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, please share that below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.